Cobblers don't want you to know this, but I'm revealing the trick right here. If you want your shoes to always stay shiny and protected, this mixture is all you need. To make it, place 1 tablespoon of petroleum jelly, 3 tablespoons of baby oil, and finish with 3 tablespoons of white vinegar in a container. Then, mix well until everything is fully combined. Now dampen a cloth with this solution and wipe it over the entire shoe. The shine comes back instantly. And best of all, this mixture creates a protective layer that prevents dust and dirt from sticking for a whole week. With this tip, your shoes will stay clean, shiny, and protected for much longer. It's perfect for school shoes or for anyone who wears shoes daily. Give it a try and then come back to let me know what you thought. I'm sure you'll come running back to thank me. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!